Hi AFM students, this is part 4 in our series of trig ratios in a circle. And as you can guess, I've done a point in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2, and I'm getting ready to find sine, cosine, and tangent for an angle whose terminal side has a point in the third quadrant at -3, -4. So, in other words, I have a ray right here that goes through this point, and here is my initial side, and this would be the angle that I'm trying to find the sine, cosine, and tangent of. So again, I want to use my reference angle, and again, I'm going to observe that my reference angle is the shortest distance to my x-axis from this point. So this angle right here is my reference angle, and I'm going to use it to find my three trig ratios. My x value is -3. My y value is -4. And my hypotenuse, or the radius of my circle, is 5. So I'm going to say that the sine of theta is equal to the opposite, which is now -4 over the hypotenuse. And again, we observed in the last two videos that that could be thought of as y over r. So the y value of my coordinate over the radius of my circle. Cosine of theta is going to be x over r, or -3 over 5, which is equal to x over r. And we're going to have tangent of theta, which is opposite over adjacent, and notice that -4 divided by -3 gives me a positive tangent. And again, that's y over x. So if you take a look at my three trig ratios, sine and cosine have become negative in quadrant 3, but tangent is my only positive trig ratio in quadrant 3. So that would be part 4. Stay tuned for part 5. As you can guess, I'm going to do the same thing with a point in quadrant